Hello guys, welcome to the Keluarga Baking channel. In this moment, would like to show how to make cookies with my family from Negeri Kincir Angin. Let's go to watch the video.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I am Lola. I am Sophie.
I'm Maxime.
And we followed a workshop, a cooking workshop from Echo, where we learned to make cookies and nagasari. And we are going to tell you what we liked about it. Yeah, like at first we came as a group to the bakery place from Echo.
Yes.
And we all got like some instructions on paper, and they tell you what ingredient they use and which steps you have to follow through the recipe and how you have to make the cookies. And Echo was also explaining how we have to do it, and he was really good at explaining what we have to do. And Maxime is going to tell you more about it now.
It was very fun. The instructions were all clear, and it was easy to remember, so we can make it very good now, and it was very delicious. Now we can take the recipes home, and we can make it at home.
Okay, two items is very easy to make, yeah, but I'm very glad to show how to make cookies and nagasari. The first, I prepare cookies, yeah. Okay, I show you all the ingredient. Okay, the first step for making cake, ya, kita tahu terigu protein rendah.
Low protein.
Yeah, medium protein, and then this one instant yeast.
Oh ya.
Yeah. Okay. $150 ya.
Yeah.
This one maybe $250.
Okay.
We use half ya. Okay. Yeah. Until become the dough is mixed well.
Nggak boleh sama mixer.
Mixing only. Okay, like that. Good. Yeah, enough. Okay.
Oh ya,
Yeah.
Like a little stick.
Yeah, add sticky.
Iya.
If you feel more water, you can add water ya.
Tapi kalau menurut ini
150 cukup pas.
Ja, weet ik wel.
You must become like your grandma. Cepat. Okay, enough ya. Enough. After this, ferment it about 10 to 15 minutes.
laten reizen.
Yeah,
Oké.
for fermentation.
Ja.
Tolong. Okay. Put egg here.
Ja.
Okay, all. And then
Een beetje vloeibaar.
Oh ja.
melting the margarine for preparing. Iya sekarang. Only put little by little.
Dan wordt het een thee.
Masih in the action.
In Indonesia, many famous here.
Ja, many members.
Okay.
Followers. Like.
You follow like this.
Chef
Your foot like this.
Scheppen.
Two.
Scheppen. Niet de hoeren, maar scheppen. Ja.
Ja. Gitu now.
Yeah. Oh.
Wat doe je?
You are become baker next.
Tapi Maxim sering tolong.
Ya bagus lah.
Oh, lepas mangganya Oma.
Iya.
Chef Ola.
You do the best. Bagus.
Cool.
Ya. More, Lola. Aduh kakak Maxim. Ya, you still it.
Allemaal.
Ya. Oke.
Saya nggak usah muda.
Oh,
Saya
jangan.
libur.
Uma,
Saya
tidak boleh.
libur.
Uma tidak boleh.
Uma off.
You can
dulu. No mixing.
And again until finish.
Kak cair.
Opo.
Kayak cair.
Cairin dulu.
Toppingnya. It's
Oh,
okay.
Tiga ribu.
Oke, sorry. Wah, ternyata tidak seperti Oma. Ternyata tidak seperti Oma. Tidak pandai masak. Oh, tapi masak gitu loh ya. Oke. Ya.
Do by yourself.
Tante first.
In the middle first
Oh,
or?
Who's request?
Go ahead. Mau. Enough.
Yeah.
Ya.
And next?
Ya. Oh. Oke. Maxim.
Another. Same.
Sorry, kok Maxim. Sophie.
Oh, Sophie or Maxim?
Sophie minta cheese.
Oh.
Coklat.
Coklat.
Maxim coklat.
Tiri ya.
More. Enough.
Oke.
Oke.
Bagus.
Karena di sini kan banyak orang bule, jadi
More.
biasa.
Oke. Ya. Oke. Close ya.
Usia berapa ibu?
Yeah, this is a very high. So I just want to tell you if the result of cookies is very good, and you should try this recipe and make at your home.
Demonstrated how to like mix, so you can see what he is doing, and then you can do it after he explained how to do it. So that was really nice to see, and yeah, overall it was a very nice time. And if you are looking for like easy and quick workshops, you can go to Echo.
Yes. If you want to have a fun time while cooking, this is a really good choice to do.
Okay, well,
That was it.
thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.